Hey everybody, it's Jamie. Welcome or welcome back. Today, as you can see, I finished a little mini savings challenge. The only thing is that the 45 is actually wrong. I think it finally finished out at 49. So what we're going to do, we're going to take these little micro wins, as we call them, and we are going to add them to the other bigger challenges that we're working on. And I will get this out and we will count it up for you. And we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we are going to add it to these saving challenges as going towards debt, like my mortgage, my car, personal loans, credit cards. And this is how I'm trying to become debt-free. So let's get started. So the first roll of the dice is a 3. And I'll just write 3 here. And we'll put 1, 2, 3. Guys, it's already the 2nd of September. Here in my little neck of the woods in Virginia, it feels like fall already. I'm so ready for the cooler temperatures because this summer has been hot. That was a 5, so we will put a 5 here. And I will add that to here, this one. And now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10 in this one. I was kind of curious to see how much I had in that one, so I went ahead and counted it. Okay, so the next one is for the car payment. And we wrote a 3. And I will color this one right here. This is just extra money going towards the car. 1, 2, 3. Over here, this one is personal loan number 2. And it gets a 2 today. 1, 2. The next one is going to Lowe's. 1 credit card. And it's going to get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just color this one right here. And then the next one is medical. I'm just doing one of these right now, and it automatically gets 6. So I will color in this one. All of these challenges are from Lisa Grateful Me. The little micro wins comes from like different Etsy shops that I had ordered from over the years, and I just cut them out and put them on envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did condense this one down because it was getting really thick with one, so I traded it out. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. My payment arrangement is for $75. So I'm trying to get as much as I can to throw towards it. And then the last one is this one back here. This one is PayPal. And it got a 4 today. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will go back to the beginning and see how far we can go. The next one is a 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one right here will get, oh, a 5 again. That's okay. That's more money going towards the credit card payoff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to stick this in here. And then in the next video, we will, I'll probably condense some of these down and with higher bills. Do I have a 1? I do have a 1. So I'll add a 1 here. I am just so sick and tired of being sick and tired. So I'm being really serious about getting this done. Really, I'm just tired. And it being on a low income and stuff, I will show you guys in the next few videos my breakdown of what I'm trying to get accomplished, like budget by paycheck from the Budget Mom, and keeping up with debt totals and payoffs and stuff like that. Let's see. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's a 5. And then I think the next one is medical, and I don't think I have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I don't have the $6 for medical, so I'm just going to go back here to this PayPal one, and I'm just going to write a 4 in here. And everything got some love and some extra love today, so we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 what we wrote today. So we will go over the totals in the next video. Guys, thank you for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. Continue to watch and you'll see some amazing things coming to the channel. I've really thought hard about how to be more transparent, how to show you guys how we're working on saving debt and saving to pay off debt. And then once we get most of these debts paid down, we are going to be we've already started on our emergency fund. It is almost fully funded with $1,000, but as you know, little things happen, like the belt on the lawnmower broke, so we have to buy a new belt for that. I was kind of hoping we could wait till next year to get the belt, but our grass is getting a little bit higher. The chickens are doing really well. They are laying, I'm getting like 6 to 8 eggs a day. Some days vary, but they're being really constant, and there's nothing like a fresh egg. So with that said, guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.